See a broccoli behemoth, run away. You must be very careful around them. They're quite dangerous when provoked. Oh, hello. Boo! I am the Green Bean Ghoul. Welcome back to my school. I will teach you all the rules to roast green beans, and it's pretty cool. Follow me if you dare. Do you remember the first step of care? Always rinse your green beans till they are totally clean. Step 2, always sever the stems so they don't come after you again. Whew, that was close. Step 3, 400 degrees to roast. 4, put them in and add some salt. And set your timer to 10, and then that's all. I am Dr. Squashtopus, here with something delicious. Take some with you on a trip. This is a very tasty dip. I told you, Betty, it's not my fault. Step 6, come back when you feel safe. Admire your green beans and appreciate that you're still alive. Whew, that was close. These stems are tough. Remember step 2. Please hit like down below if you enjoyed my video.